We've got a brand new open source AI video generator, and it might be the best option right now, especially if you're running on low VRAM or want an uncensored model. It's called Hunyuan Video 1.5 times 10 cents, and today I'll show you what it can do, how it compares to the current leading open source model, and how to install and run it locally and offline, even on low VRAM GPUs. The open source video AI space is exploding, but most models still demand huge GPUs or lack realistic motion. Hunyuan Video 1.5 changes that. It focuses on smooth, realistic motion, better physics, actual camera movement control, and good text rendering, something even top models struggle with. So if you're an animator, filmmaker, AI artist, marketer, or a Promptus user, this model is worth your attention. Quick note before we dive deeper. If you want to actually try Hunyuan Video 1.5, Sora, Nano Banana, Flux, and full comfyui workflows, start a free trial at Promptus. With Promptus, you get access to Cozy Flows, hundreds of ready-made comfyui workflows, distributed GPU compute, and tons of other models. Hunyuan Video is uncensored, and that doesn't just mean it ignores filters. It means you get full creative freedom. Most video AIs block anything with action, impact, anime physics, dramatic tension, or complex body movement. Hunyuan doesn't. So you can make fight scenes, horror moments, emotionally intense shots, stylized motion, and realistic physics without the model glitching out or censoring your story. Okay, so let me show you the first demo. You know how most AI models struggle with simple things like objects bending or weight shifting? Hunyuan actually gets it, like crushing a soda can with proper deformation. Most video AIs can't even handle simple zoom-ins. Hunyuan moves the camera like a real cinematographer. Then, image to video. You give it a single image and boom, full cinematic shot. Honestly, image to video might be my favorite part. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to run Hunyuan Video 1.5 faster, easier, and way more powerful using the Promptus comfyui workflow. Because here's the deal. Hunyuan at full power requires downloading several of models, linking them correctly, setting up text encoders, VAEs, latent upsamplers. And with Promptus, it's much easier. We created a Cozy Flow, a fully built plug-and-play comfyui workflow that sets everything up for you. To run Hunyuan Video 1.5, click the Profile tab, click the Open Manager. With Open Manager open, select the hamburger button and click comfyui. Here, you want to click the Run comfyui. After a few minutes, the comfyui indicator will display running. We can now go back to the Promptus app and select the comfyui tab, and the canvas will appear. All you have to do is download the workflow in the Cozy Flow server, and then in the comfyui canvas, click the Cozy Flow. And yes, the full Promptus workflow is linked in the description below, so you can download it instantly. Now let me show you exactly how it works step by step. If you don't want to use Cozy Flows and want to install the workflow manually, go to the description, click the link, download the Promptus Hunyuan 1.5 comfyui workflow JSON. This workflow does all the heavy lifting for you. Just drag the JSON into your comfyui window. You now have the full text-to-video and image-to-video setup loaded for unlimited local generations. The workflow tells you exactly what models you need. Qwen 2.5 text encoder, Byte 5 small encoder, Hunyuan video diffusion model, Hunyuan image-to-video model, optional 1080p upscaler VAE, latent upsampler. Just drop each one in the right folder. No thinking, no guesswork. Click the dropdowns in the workflow. Choose your models, pick your resolution, pick your length, write your prompt. You press Run, and watch Hunyuan compute on your GPU in the best possible way. If your GPU has the 8 gigs of VRAM, Promptus has a Cozy Flow workflow. Just select the GGUF version. Guys, Hunyuan Video 1.5 is crazy. The motion quality, the camera movement control, the cinematics. This is easily one of the best open source video models you can run at home. And thanks to Promptus, the whole thing installs in minutes instead of hours. If you want to try it yourself, workflow link is in the description. Go grab it, drop it into Promptus, and start making your own AI movies today. Comment below for specific examples you'd like to see, and if you run into any errors, drop them in the comments and I'll help fix them. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one!